sorry guys, sinita ko na lang. Hi guys! It's another weekend, so that means it's another day of libot. And today we're going to Odds Farm Park. What you gonna see there, Kuya Enzo? Farm? Farm animals. Yeah, we're gonna see rare breeds of farm animals. That's why I chose it, guys, because they said yung mostly yung breeds nila is rare breeds. So it's gonna be good for the kids to see these rare breeds na in existence pa. Mas maganda na makita ng mga bata yung mga rare breeds na yon before they go extinct, which is fingers crossed hindi naman sana. So we'll see you guys there. It's like a 55 minutes, 60 minutes drive. Come on, let's go mga ka-positive! Odds Farm Park! Oh, cute babies! Look! Hi guys! You have now arrived at Odds Farm Park. And come on, let's go! I'm so excited! I can already see a goat! Wow! Oink oink! Did you see Piggy? What does the pig say? Oh, there are goats, but a different breed. Did you see Eeyore? Where's Eeyore?
Sabi sa akin, Eeyore, sabi niya sa akin.
Oh.
Oh, that's Eeyore, I know.
What does Eeyore say?
Yeah.
Huh? I thought Eeyore says hee-haw. Hee-haw. Oh, come on, let's
Sabi ka
go.
na Eeyore. Ang galing mo na ka. Alala ko ka, Eeyore nga pala yun.
Thank you so much. Come on, guys.
Thank you.
So we ordered 2 animal feeds for the kids, one of each. Lila, hold these. And so hold these. You're gonna.
Yan po.
So these are the rare and native breeds. You can find here. So guys, we'll be given this
Daddy's food.
map. And first up, we're gonna go to the tractor ride, which the waiting area is there at the back of the sand. So
Let's go.
hey guys, so we're waiting for the tractor ride. Ito yung queue. Oh. There's a queue, so we're in a queue. We're waiting for that. But the kids wants to go to the sand pit. Ang daming laruan. Yan. Tapos dun sa may pigsty, merong itinutulak na bike, tri-bike. Ang cute. We'll go there later. Hi guys! So nakasakay na tayo ngayon sa tractor ride.
Enzo. Sa'yo.
He's doing Facebook Live.
Yula. Tayo pupunta ngayon. put your feet up here, oh, like that. Yeah, that's good.
Tell them what you're gonna see here.
We will see
Rare breeds.
my fellow breeds. Ano parang papaararo lang tayo sa bukid Oh. Yes.
Stay seated, please, and give me a shout if you need me.
Okay, papaararo na tayo ngayon. Papasimula na ng talim.
See you again in a couple of minutes.
Oh. Ganyan. Oh. Yan. Oh. Ah. Yula. Oh.
Interest. So the kids learn.
Say hi to Ninang Mitch.
They're not just learning about play, they learn they're happy.
Nakasarap no.
They'll learn about the animals. Through the
Laking kaldereta no. At angkat mo ng kambing na yon.
The farm is a fantastic education.
So guys, natapos na tayo sa tractor ride. Now, you're gonna be washing our hands here. You wanna go, Yula? Should this
Wala, hindi tayo kasyadak eh. Ano yung ano nila dito? Ito sinasabi ko, kunwari magpapatayo ka ng farm sa Pilipinas. Itong bakod lang, electric pen. So hindi sila didikit niya kasi mga kuryente sila.
So next time, alam na nila na hindi sila...
Hindi, kahit nadidikit sila, alam nila hindi talaga sila didikit. Hindi ba sila
Oh, look at those, goats. Nandun sila sa ibabaw ng nila, oh.
silang dalawa, sa loob. Gumawa sila ng baby nila. You know, pagod.
Huwag mo alam.
Dalawa sila sa loob eh, gumawa ng baby yan. Ayan.
Let's see. Medyo mapanghi, guys. Ang lalaki! Oh my God! They are so big! Let's see what breed they are. They are Tamworth pigs. Oh, it's very rare. It is believed to be the purest of our native breeds and the closest living relative of the English forest pig. Family! They are Berkshire pigs, another rare breed, and is the oldest recorded pedigree pig breed in Britain.
Oh, Yula, don't go like that. Oh my God,
Masarap
Yula.
ang ano yan, babe?
Masarap lechon yan.
Ikaw!
Camouflage daw yan, hindi naman.
They are so cute!
Cute. Walang cute sa sikmura ako pagka ako kami.
Where's the pigs, Enzo?
Yeah, ayun.
Say hi! Where's the baby pigs?
You want to catch the pig?
Pag uwi natin, anak, magkakatch kayo ng maghahanap tayo ng makakatch yung baby pigs. Ano bang ginagawa nila? Gumagana sila.
Ganyan talaga yan. Ganyan ang instinct ng baboy. Magkulkul.
Kinukukul using their ilong.
Ba't lagi silang nakayuko? Yung mga biik. Saka yung mga baboy. What? Nahiya sila at kasi baboy yung lolo nila at baboy yung nanay nila. Oo nga, kaya nga sila nahihiya.
Eating, yes. They're eating grass. Say hello, pigs!
I'm hungry.
I'm hungry. Sabi niya.
Did the pig say, I'm hungry?
Si the goat. Baby goat. Bato. Mado di agua. Want to see? Want to see?
Dad,
Oh, is that a mommy?
go.
Hi, mommy
Baby
goat.
goat.
Baby goat.
Sabi. What the goat say? Sabi. Parang mukha.
Ano masasabi mo na naman dito?
Kami mukha ng baka.
Oh.
Parang alien, no? Tamo, oh. Yung mata niyang laki, oh. Oh. Nakapauso pa siya ng buhok. May patungkol pa dito, oh.
Pakita mo lang sa
Ah, gusto mo ilagay pa kita dun eh. Oh, oh. Oh, oh, oh. What's that?
I think these are the pygmy goats, guys. Yung 300 na lang daw in the world. The most, this is the most rare breed at Oz Farm is the middle white pig. There are
Pygmy
only,
yan. Ibig sabihin, di ba? Akala na iba, baboy.
okay, the pygmy goat. There are only 100 to 200 left in the UK. Oh, mas umunti pa. Kanina
That
sabi
pig
dun
na
sa
baboy, yan, pygmy
300.
goat.
Yeah, pygmy
Baboy
goat.
na, kambing.
They are inside, guys. I'm gonna try to zoom and see. Yeah, they're inside. One is black. I don't know if you can see him. And this is the other one. The pygmy goats are the smallest type of goat in the world. In Africa. You can find
Pygmy
a
goat,
pygmy goat that is pure white. That's what it says.
Ayun, pure white.
Hindi, yung pure white na pygmy goat, hindi ka na makakahanap. Except, you can be found in all colors except pure white. Bye-bye, pygmy goats!
Yan, pig nga, baboy pa.
I hope you, magpakadami. And this is Anglo-Nubian goat. Oh, they are known for producing the best the best tasting and highest quality goat's milk. Oh, yeah, milk. I thought for a second meat. Sorry. Yeah, and then we're gonna go to the rare breed of cows there. Oh, yeah. Where did you go? Oh, that's the red kite they're saying. It they said it looks like an eagle. Highland
Nako,
cattle.
dami pa lang iniinom niya.
As one of the toughest breeds of cattle in the world, Highland cows are able to survive in extremely cold temperatures. Okay. And cows drink between 25 to 50 gallons of water each day, almost a bathtub full.
What?
Wow. So if you got like, how many cows are there? So guys, like yung sinabi nung driver kanina ng tractor, sabi niya, in this breed, di ba meron silang horns? It doesn't mean na they're male or bull. So in this breed, the babae siya or lalaki siya, they both have horns. It's extremely rare. They originated by crossing large white and small white pigs in the 1850s. They're extremely rare.
Kaya pinag-breed lang pala, cross lang pala yan.
But it's rare.
High 4 lang yan, saka large white. Ayun yung mga may naman.
Ay, yun ang yun ang lalaki.
Ayun, Bobby.
Lumabas yung kanyang jetlog.
Nako. Ay hindi, babae at lalaki, nagpapaano to.
Kaya nga, Gloucestershire Old Spot Pig. Established in 1913. It's the oldest pedigree spotted pig breed in the world. And also a British saddleback pig. Oh, so they're crossbreeding them. Kasi magkaiba sila ng ng breed. Isang Gloucestershire Old Spot Pig at saka British Saddle.
Normal lang na baboy yan. Yan yung mga nabibili sa palengke yung per kilo. Si Iyor anak mo. Hi Iyor.
Say hi. Hi. Flying kisses. Flying kisses.
Baby Iyor and Mommy Iyor.
Hey,
Oh.
Iyor is a donkey, not a pony.
Eh sabi ni Enzo, Iyor daw eh. Oh. Mukha naman siyang Oh. Pony pala yan na kay pantali pala sa buhok eh. Anak, that is Shetland ponies. Ang tawag niya sa atin miniature pero ang talagang breed pala niyan Shetland pony.
They are small but very strong.
Breed.
They are able to survive on rocky steep hills in poor grazing land and in bitter cold weather.
Oh, bakit daw sila binreed? From prohibiting the children from working in the coal mine. Sila binreed.
Hindi siya ata ito. Ang laki ng tiyan masyado eh.
Nasobrahan na siya ng kain. Ganda naman ng bahay ng manok. Oh, ganyan ang gayahin yung kulungan ng manok. Oh. Chicken house!
We should find this one. It's so cute. Different breeds of chickens can lay different colored eggs. Eggs can be brown, blue, white, green, or speckled.
And yellow. Quack quack.
Oh, this ones. Look, those are the Polish Poland chicken.
Oh, chicken anak ko. Chicken house.
They're
Tama
so
anak.
cute, guys. Look. Say hi. Oh, they're so cute.
Ganda nung nila, ang kulungan ng manok.
Akala ko yung manok na magandang ka.
Pwede yung ay may
May ano?
may kulungan. May ikot pala. Oh. Look. Inside in the house. Ayun.
Silky chicken. Look at them. They're inside, but look at them. The silky chicken is known for its calm and friendly temper. Making them good pets and popular showbirds.
Kulay itim ang laman yan eh.
Oh,
May ganyan ako manok ng araw eh.
They're developed in Asia.
Science chicken tawag ng papa dyan eh. Ayun sabi ko sa'yo oh. Oh, marami sa atin yan. Kulay itim yan eh.
Why Belgian apples are Belgian velvet?
Kulay itim yung na yan. Kulay itim yung laman nila.
They're inside. You can't see them. Look at you now. Sinisilip talaga mabuti.
Anak ko. Turkey. Pagwas mo na. Yan. Kung ganyan ang araw, kawit bahay namin.
Ay, ba't may nakalawit na ganun?
Yan ang nila.
I'm gonna go see the.
Panligaw.
What? Huh?
Oh.
Krogitzer turkeys are a rare breed.
Nako.
Look, it's a rare breed. They are
Daming
best known as an ornamental bird with a unique appearance. Ha? Unique appearance ba
Sa
yan?
atin eh. Yung kapitbahay namin ganyan eh. Nung mag-alaga kami ng pabo, ganyan din. Tsaka itim.
Are you giving them food? Is that why?
Tulog yan ah.
Turkey.
Hindi nga alam gayahin yung Hindi nga alam gayahin yung tulog niyan. Ako lang nakakagaya.
Oh, that's a rare breed? Buff Orpington chicken is rare. It was bred to be excellent egg layer with good meat quality and is now a popular show breed. The speckled Sussex chicken, if they molt, lose their feathers, they become more and more speckled.
Kalalabasan niya no.
Babe!
Chicken Joy. Chicken Joy.
Did it bite you?
Can you show them these? This is a very rare breed.
This one.
The Buff Orpington chicken. It's now a show.
They take your
Show.
finger, it's disgusting.
Wait.
Are you giving them food, Yula?
Ay, muna yung isa na yun.
Yan nga yung sausage chicken.
Yan yun, nag-iisa lang siya, ano.
Kapag nagmamalt siya, the more siya nagiging speckled. Yung kanyang feathers, sorry. So guys, we bought the ticket there. And this is not included for the entrance fee. I think for yung sa mga activities dito, parang ito lang yata yung may bayad na extra para sa mga bata. But the rest I think is free, like this water station. And look, there's plenty of picnic tables, so if you guys wanna come here, you can just easily bring your own food and have them here. Ang alam ko lang, hindi nila ina-allowed inside pag yung mga indoors. So,
Ang ganda ng picture namin, no?
oh! Ako din! Sama niyo ako! Wait! Come on guys, let's go! Do the mini rover!
Tabi daddy. Pip. Nakatakot ah. Ano mabalento na? Oh, drive ka, drive. Drive. Like this. You drive, you hold the... You hold. Oh. Oh guys, lumiit yung kotse. Lumiit. Ayaw tumakbo. Nakakatakot. Oh. Like mommy. Ay, mo ka di ba nakasakay?
Lumayo nga muna kayo! Nabutan na namin kayo eh.
Mabagal eh. Mabagal na pili namin eh. Oh. Galing nga. Oh. Oh. Say hi, mommy. Sila happy? To the right. Oh, to the right. And straight. Go straight.
Did you guys enjoy it?
Kuya, sa medal, oh,
You
look.
have medals pa. Wow, well done.
Oh, my daddy
Okay.
have a card. Oh, we buy ice cream. Come on, let's go.
Yula really wants some ice cream because Erwin promised her
Let's
some
go
ice
and get
cream.
ice cream.
So yeah, guys, we had fun in the mini rover. Although it's like £3 a lap. So we bought like if you're gonna buy 2 laps, it's gonna be £5. So bumili na kami ng tigalawang lap. And I'm glad we did because it's so much fun. Although medyo mabagal, but it's okay.
Green.
One for Kuya, one for Yula. What you gonna say?
Thank you, Mommy. Welcome.
Welcome din. Oh. This is for Daddy. Milkshake. Is it yummy?
Daddy.
Ano? Lasang emoji?
Parang dadalhin ko talaga sa banyo. Napakatamis, ano mo yung gatas na gatas?
Sarap nga eh.
To feed the animals, guys. But we have to wear face mask inside. And the kids wanted to wear theirs as well. So
Actually, 11 years old.
yeah, 11-year-old pataas. Kaya lang, they want to wear theirs.
Meron
And
naman tayo.
they have one, so it's good. Aww, look. Aww, the rabbits. Come on, there's one here.
Para itong yung mare, ano? Hey, mare ba yung mare? Hair pala.
Here. Come on, guys. Look, there's still more there. Oh.
Grabe to eh, no? Balbo, no? Ano, ang laki nito, oh. Ang taba.
His name is Benjamin. I'm a Flemish English rabbit.
Grabe to. So big.
Oh no, he's 5 years old. He's a big one.
So big.
His name is
You want to see the big rabbit? Kuya?
Benjamin.
Oh, ang so
That's
big.
Benjamin, and so
Perfect.
yeah, big rabbits. And so put in your
Baka kainin yung kamay. Baka kainin yung kamay nito.
just put them in your palm.
Like this, oh, like this. Open like
Yeah,
this.
open your palm like this.
Open your hand like this, oh. Like this. Like this, oh.
Wow, look at Daddy go.
Open your hand.
Kiliti ko siya. Oo. Come on, Yay! Let's go to the next one. Say bye-bye. Look, oh, Yula, oh. Wow. Yula, that's so nice. Oh, Enzo, it's Kuya Enzo's turn.
Oh,
Daddy.
sister.
Sorry guys, hindi ito talaga. Tumatakot ako ba yun? Oh, the other one. They're so gentle.
So friendly. It's like your toy.
They're very friendly, and so they're very friendly. Nakikiliti. They're guinea pigs. Oh, look at this, it's so cute. Bye. Thank you. Oh, the pigs and the donkeys are outside. Hi guys, so umulan. Nabot kami ng ulan, but it's okay because we already finished. Yung hindi lang talaga namin napuntahan is yung mga laruan ng mga bata, which is hindi ko naman talaga intention na palaruin yung mga bata muna kasi basta. So we're gonna go to the gift shop and then we're gonna go home. Okay, let's go. Kalabas lang namin ng gift shop and we didn't buy anything just because we're actually clearing out. Ang dami namin pamimigay at itatapon ng mga laruan ng mga bata kasi mga kumakalat lang, hindi naman na nila nilalaro. So there's no point of buying more if they don't need it, really. So yeah, so we had so much fun.
My room.
Sorry?
My room.
Sorry?
Whoa.
Huh?
What's going on now?
Bye-bye, Lior.
Move, move, move. Move, move.
What? Where are you going? So guys, we went back to the gift shop kasi hindi pumayag si Yula na walang binibili. May pinagmanahan. Ate Cheska and Kuya Rainier.
Hoy, nung tayong dalawa pa lang, wala pa tayong anak. Pag nalilibot tayo, bumibili ka rin eh. Kailangan may mabili kang isa eh. What? Sa remembrance. Ayan, ganyan-ganyan si Yula.
Sa akin pa daw. But anyway, guys, so I think, what's the highlight of your day, babe? What is your favorite? Kasi nabasa yung sa may puwetan niya, guys, kasi inupan niya kasi yung baby wipes. So syempre, ang bigat niya tumagos, lumabas yung tubig. Ayan. Kaya nabasa yung puwet niya the whole time. Ako yung favorite ko is a mini rover. Na-miss ko mag-drive, guys. Mag-drive na kaya ako.
Mga pamangking ko doon, 11, tsaka yung nanay nila.
Yung piglets. The piglets, they're so cute. Yeah, it's also one of my favorites. And seeing the pygmy goats as well, guys, is very rare breed.
Go.
Can you show them your keychain? She's gonna put it in her bag, right? Who's that?
Go.
Cow with
Move.
with a bird. Okay. So, guys, thank you so much sa mga nanonood. Maraming salamat, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and also please drop a comment para alam namin na nanonood kayo, tsaka kung ano yung mga nagustuhan nyo sa mga ginawa namin para masaya, diba? We will have interaction. So I wish you all guys a healthy and a safe week. So see you next week.
Baho mo naman, ha? Amoy ka. Amoy nga maasim.